Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cotton candy without a machine. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. You will also need a candy thermometer and a large, clean surface, like a baking sheet covered with parchment paper or an inverted baking pan. This method is surprisingly simple and yields delicious results. Now let's cook the sugar syrup. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Once it boils, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the syrup reaches exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for the right consistency. After reaching the correct temperature, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the syrup cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. It needs to thicken slightly but remain pourable. While it cools, prepare your spinning tool. A metal whisk with widely spaced tines or a sturdy fork works best. You'll use this to create the fine sugar strands, so make sure it's clean and ready for action. Now for the fun part, spinning the cotton candy. Dip your whisk or fork into the slightly cooled syrup. Hold it about 12 to 18 inches above your prepared surface and quickly drizzle the syrup back and forth in a continuous motion. Fine sugar threads will form and collect on the surface. Gather these delicate strands onto a paper cone or stick, repeating until all your syrup is transformed into fluffy, sweet cotton candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.